Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I am going to make fish curry with mango. This dish combines with sweet, sour and slightly spicy flavor with creamy texture. It's delicious and you can serve with rice, bread or anything. Now let's get started. I have 300 grams of cod loin and this washed and clean, cut into big chunks. And you can use any types of fish you wanted. Now I'm going to marinate the fish. 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, some salt. I'm going to use rainbow peppercorns. In here I got black, white, red, green, all the peppercorns. It's flavorful, or if you want it, you can add some black pepper. Half lime. Squeeze some lime juice. Mix everything. I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. Here I have rest of the ingredients. Chopped 1 red onion, green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, some curry leaves. If you can find them, put in the curry. If not, you can leave them out. I have 1 mango. This is half ripe mango, but raw is perfect. Skin off, cut them into strips or you can cut them into any shapes. I have cherry tomatoes. You can use any types of tomatoes. Fresh coriander. Quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. For the spices, I have 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Thick coconut milk and vegetable stock about 3/4 cup. Here I have basil. I'm going to cut up some fresh basil leaf. This smells so good. And give a little wash. Heat the pan. A small amount of vegetable oil or you can add any oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Now you can see it's popping up. Chilies, ginger and garlic. Just fry them about 30 seconds. Now onion. Medium heat, fry them about 3 to 4 minutes. Now spices. Just stir about 5 to 10 seconds. Add tomatoes. Spices and tomatoes, just fry them about 1 minute. And vegetable stock. If you feel it needs a bit more liquid, you can always add some water. Now bring it to the boil and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the flavors develop. I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. If you want it, you can add more or less sugar. Now coconut milk. Stir constantly about 2 to 3 minutes. Add fresh coriander. And you can always add more green chilies or more chili powder according to how hot you want it. Now mango. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Put the fish. And this needs to simmer for 7 to 8 minutes or fish is fully cooked. I'm going to stir at this point. Once the fish is cooked, you don't want to stir the fish and break it up. Now fish has been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm going to quickly flip this over. Just gently swirl the pan. Now you can see it's bubbling. Just taste the sauce. little bit of salt. Give a nice little shake again. Sprinkle with fresh basil and coriander. Now turn off the heat. Now you can eat the curry right away, but I like to do is just leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Longer it sits, the better it tastes. Now put the lid on. I'll come back in 15 minutes. I'm going to taste again. Very flavorful coconut, the spices, mango and tomatoes, all of those flavors come together, create a really lovely balance. Little bit of fresh coriander on top. It's all done, now ready to serve. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.